Welcome to today's news.
AFCAT 2025 registration window is now open at afcat.cdac.in. 283 vacancies. Indian Air Force (IAF) has opened the registration window for AFCAT 2025 on Monday, June 2, 2025. Eligible candidates can apply for the Air Force Common Admission Test 2025 02/2025 can submit their application on the official website of afcat.cdac.in. Candidates must note that the last day to submit the application is July 1, 2025. As per the official notification, the recruitment exam is for the grant of Short Service Commission (SSC) in flying branch and ground duty, technical and non-technical branches. Number of vacancies 283. Exam date AFCAT 2025 exam will be conducted on August 23, 2025 and August 24, 2025. Eligibility, nationality. Candidate must be a citizen of India as per Indian Citizenship Act 1955. Age, flying branch through AFCAT and NCC special entry 20 to 24 years as on July 1, 2026. Born between July 2, 2002 to July 1, 2006, both dates inclusive. However, the upper age limit for candidates holding valid and current commercial pilot license issued by DGCA India is relaxable up to 26 years. Ground duty, technical and non-technical branch. 20 to 26 years as on July 1, 2026. Born between July 2, 2002 to July 1, 2006. Both dates inclusive. Marital status. Candidates must be unmarried at the time of commencement of the course and marriage is not permitted during training. A candidate who marries during the period of training will be discharged and will be liable to refund all expenditure incurred on him or her by the government. Date of birth. As per the notification, the date of birth accepted by IAF is that entered in the matriculation or secondary school leaving certificate or in a certificate recognized by an Indian university as equivalent to matriculation or in an extract from a register of matriculates maintained by a university. The extract must be certified by the proper authority of the university or in the higher secondary or an equivalent examination certificate. No other documents related to age like for horoscope, affidavit, birth extract from municipal corporation, service records and likewise will be accepted. Due care must be taken while entering their date of birth. If on verification at any subsequent stage it is found that the date of birth from the one entered in their matriculation or equivalent examination certificate is different, it will render them disqualified. More details on eligibility and educational qualifications can be found on official notification. Examination fee. Candidates will have to pay rupees 550 plus GST, non-refundable as examination fee. However, candidates registering for NCC special entry are not required to pay. AFCAT 2025. How to apply? Visit the official website at afcat.cdac.in. On the home page, click on the link to apply for AFCAT 2025. Enter your credentials to register yourself and submit. Log in with your registered credentials. Fill in the application form, upload the necessary documents and submit. Pay the application fee. Download the confirmation page. Keep a printout for further uses. For more related details, candidates are advised to visit the official website of AFCAT at afcat.cdac.in. Get the latest educational news, career news, job news, exam news, latest updates and notification for central government, state government, bank, SSC, banking, UPSC, UGC NET, TET, SET, railway, post office and other jobs. Visit the channel Study for Sure with Stella. Address https www.youtube.com/@study for sure with Stella. Thank you.